Good morning. It actually seems like there's a lot of light outside. There's not. It's actually still pretty dark. I don't know why it's showing like it's so light, because it's actually still pretty dark outside. It's 7 o'clock. I have not been to the gym in like 3-ish days or so. So this is gonna be my first day back in like 3 days. I was just really tired. I was just not having the gym energy. That's okay, because I got up a little late, but I got up and I'm here. Let's do this. Still contemplating this in my head, but I need to get a workout in, so. Woo. All right, got my Apple Watch. Today is leg day, Friday. Let's see how this goes. Hi, Boo Boo. It's my gym partner. I love him. Beautiful day finally. It's like not cloudy or rainy or anything. It's blue skies. Now I am going to get ready for work because your girl got a job, so gotta go to work. Hopefully I'll be there by like 8:45, which should be just fine. And yeah, my workout wasn't like crazy. Just due to the fact that I haven't been there in like 4 days, so I wasn't gonna do anything insane. But it was a good workout. I burned like over 400 calories, and I'm happy with that. So yeah, I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna change, shower, get ready for work, get my breakfast ready, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. What's up, you guys? It is Friday, 2:30. I just left the office so I can get some fresh air. It's a really nice day outside, and I felt like grabbing a smoothie. I went to try out Dr. Smood, I think that's what it's called, on Sunset Place, and it's like literally 2 minutes away from my job, but it was like too healthy for me. You know when something's like too healthy for you? That just doesn't work for me. Like, it was just like this honey milk and the matcha and all that stuff, and like I'm healthy, but I don't do that stuff. No, it's just not for me. So I'm gonna go to this little spot that I know in Coral Gables called Greenberry. I think I think that their smoothies are absolutely delicious and out of this world. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab myself one of those. I don't know if I'm actually gonna have something to like eat. I'm not insanely hungry. I know I probably should, so I'll look at their menu and I'll see if something interests me, but I'm definitely going to grab a smoothie. But yeah, other than that, I've just been working. I've just been working. That's needed. That's needed on a hot day. Good, we're good. Whew. Smoothie I get is absolutely delicious. It's coconut, mango, I think some pineapple in it. I'm not too sure, but definitely mango and coconut. I think I'm gonna put coconut flakes on top, which is fire. And yeah. Woof, that is good. Now I'm gonna head back into the office and finish my workday, which is until 5, so see you later. This be my little princess, my little Gigi. She just finished eating, but she needs to drink her water and she knows it. She's just waiting. She wants to open the door. She wants to go out. You want to go out, Mama? Okay, I'll let you go. There you go, Mama. Stretch it out. Oh, I'm sorry. My bad. Chicken and potatoes in here. I flipped the chicken and I took off the foil so we can get some nice color and cooking through. Let's just do this real quick. Look at that. It looks so nice. Now I'm gonna clean some dishes because Bigger got some dishes to clean.